Get ready to scroll vertically and full screen because Instagram's testing out a dramatic redesign that could completely change how you open and experience the app. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Instagram's potentially changing, and now your Instagram feed would open straight into an immersive TikTok-styled Reels interface, with stories still holding their familiar spot in a horizontal row at the top. As you scroll, the experience would shift into a full-screen video feed, making Reels the start of the show, not just a side act. Adam Mosseri, head of Instagram, confirmed the platform is exploring this change due to the explosive growth of Reels and DMs over the past few years. Mosseri said, "We want to stay focused on where users are spending their time, and clearly it's Reels. Only a small group of users are currently testing the redesign, but this signals that Meta's about to transform Instagram from a photo sharing app into a video-first platform." Well, this update isn't entirely new, as the newly launched Instagram iPad app already opens directly into Reels. Meta said the layout is designed for smooth flow of entertainment on larger screens, for lounging and scrolling, and not just for snapping pictures. And earlier this year, Instagram also added a feature where you could download Reels directly on your device, making it clear that Instagram's now shaping to become a video-focused app. Photos from followed accounts will still appear somewhere in the feed, though exactly how that will look remains unclear. If this task becomes reality, Instagram could shift from a place to catch up with what's up with your friends to a full-blown video entertainment hub. The question is, would you choose the old Instagram or the new one? Comment down below, hit that like button, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.